How's it going, everyone? Mike here with March 17th Merch by Amazon sales update. Yesterday was I'm started doing these videos now in the mornings because I've noticed that if I do them at night, I don't do them late enough before the actual end of day. So usually after I finish my recordings, there's one or two sales, so the numbers aren't completely accurate. So now what I've decided to do, I'll just reset and start putting these out in the morning or throughout the day for the previous day. So today's the 18th, but I'm doing an update, as you can see here, on the 17th, which was yesterday. So this way everything will be up to date. There won't be any one-offs where I miss one or two sales. In either case, let's get into it. Total number of sales yesterday, 11. 10 in the US and 1 in Germany. If you look here, this is the summary of the 17th. So for example, I'll click here and these are my details. And it was pretty much the standard items that are selling. Standard t-shirts, there was a v-neck, and then pop sockets, and we get into one phone case, but pretty much t-shirts, pop sockets, and phone cases. That's pretty much across the board. Total amount of sales just under $200, as you can see here. 184, that's $185, and then about 13 euros, which is about 20, so $20, so about like I said, 200, and then total royalties about $40. So not a bad day. What I'm actually happy about is that I'm more frequently now hitting double digits here, and let's say maybe even a month ago, and definitely 2 months ago, that wasn't the case. Actually, a month or 2 months ago are busy months, so maybe it was the case, but let's say on a regular month when I was at a tier 8,000, that was not the case. So as you can see here, it's early in the morning, it's 10 in the morning, and I already have 4 sales, but across the board, as you can see here, double digits, like I said, and I've slowly been increasing my 7-day average to around and over 70 now. There's going to be a spike by the end of the day, most likely, where this will go over 70. And then, for example, if I have another low day like this one, that'll drop. But in either case, things are looking really good. For this month, again, this is the US market, 146 total sales, and I've just cracked $500 in royalties, which is really good because the previous month I've had 165 sales for $575. So it is the 18th. There are plenty days to go in this month, and the numbers are looking really, really good. Again, the reason I'm doing these for anybody who's new and watching this, the reason I'm doing these daily updates is because this is the first official month of being at a tier 20,000, and I've skipped a tier. I've gone from 8,000 to 20,000 right away. So I wanted to kind of record these numbers, and a lot of people were asking to see what's going to happen. The other thing that I want to point out is the products with live sales. This keeps going up every single day, which means that I'm selling a few new products every single day, which is amazing. And let's see what else I wanted to point out. Yep. I wanted to look at this month and total sales across all marketplaces. And as you can see, I've hit 179, which is really amazing. And we're looking at over $600 in royalties when you add all this up. And, I'm definitely not complaining. I'm very, very happy about that. So in summary, 179 total sales. I guess that's including the 4 from today. So I guess my numbers are really going to be off either way I look at it. So in this case, it would be 175 total sales as of March 17th. Because I'm recording this on the 18th, the 4 sales from today are included. but this is the accurate number for the US, and that's 10 sales yesterday, and then 1 in Germany for the total of 11. The other thing that I like to point out, I keep pointing out, is that I still wouldn't have officially been at the number of sales to be tiered up to 10,000. So the fact that I'm at a tier 20,000 is out of the ordinary, and it feels really good. Anyways, that's the update. I'll do another one tomorrow. As always, thanks for watching, guys. If you have any questions or any comments, leave them down below.